In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can connect CJ Dropshipping to Shopify. Now, this can be a very quick and simple video, so make sure you watch this all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now, in order to connect CJ Dropshipping to Shopify, we're going to need to have both a CJ Dropshipping account as well as a Shopify account. And if you haven't yet got a Shopify account, I'll include a link at the very top of the video description that will actually allow you to get 3 months of Shopify for just $1 a month. So once we have both our accounts set up, we can go into the top left corner and go to authorization, and then go down to the first option, which should be Shopify. From there, if we haven't authorized the store yet, it will say this, and we can actually add our store by just clicking add store and then clicking authorize down here. Now, this will take us to the CJ Dropshipping app on Shopify, and we can simply install it by clicking install. And from there, it will tell us that the app needs access to view personal data and view and edit store data. And since we're okay with this, we're going to go ahead and click install. From there, it will say welcome to CJ, and you should be able to see your account's email here. As long as that email is correct, you can read and agree to the store authorization agreement down here, and we can go ahead and click authorize. From there, our authorization is a success, and they are now connected. And we can confirm that it is actually connected by coming back to the store authorization section, clicking on Shopify, and now we can see our Shopify store in this store list, which means that they are indeed connected. So that's how you can connect CJ Dropshipping to Shopify. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.